lovely to watch. I wish I can just shoo them away, flew away, but they stay here in the night time. Everyone, it's moving. It's moving. This is the tree of birds. There are birds, guys. There are birds. There are birds. See that? Yeah. So this is the tree of birds. There are migratory birds from, I think, New Zealand and Australia. But they are here every night. The side of course, side of the road. We just stopped by. Happy meet some friends. So lovely to watch. I wish I can just shoo them away so they will flew away, but they stay here in the night time. You see that white, and those are birds, guys. Those are birds, and they have hundreds of them up there. They are all birds there. They're all birds. See? There you go. And it's like I think like a water area, and this is just around the side of the road. And with this capture of video, guys, I'm still using my Gimba 3-axis Gimba mobile stabilizer, and I hope we're gonna see the difference with this. It's very handy. Shout out Mr. Siberia. Thank you so much for this gift. I enjoy using it, especially playing around with the joystick. So let's leave these birds hanging in here. The migratory birds from Australia and New Zealand hanging on the trees here on the side of the road of Sri Lanka. See you around, guys. Bye bye.